Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square to process e-commerce card payments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.squareup.com and press enter. Once the Square homepage loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Square account. After entering your email, click on the next button. Now, you'll see a field to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you've entered your password, click on the Sign In button. After a moment, you will be logged into your Square account. Now, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you will find the options for processing payments. Click on Invoices or Payments to begin processing your e-commerce card payments. Ensure you have the customer's card information ready. Enter the card details into the provided fields. Once all information is entered, click on the Charge or Process Payment button. You will receive a notification confirming that the payment was successful. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and try signing in again. For additional help, refer to Square's support page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.